we're going to go over how, so this, alright, so this is a prime example of how the double top works. So the double top, how you can figure out if it's a double top or not is basically you want to get your horizontal bars. Once you see right here, you're going to put one at the top of the close of the body, and then you're going to put another horizontal bar at the top of the wick. Then you're just going to wait and see if it comes back up. If it comes back up into this zone right here, now what makes it a double top is if this body closes below or inside this zone, but this wick goes into it, that would make it a double body. I mean, a double top. If this body closes above this wick right here, that would be a false double top. You wouldn't take that trade because it just cancels it out. So the body would have to close either in this zone right here or below this zone. But if it closed below this zone, a wick has to be in this zone for it to be considered a double top. So once you see the double top, you can automatically take that sell. So this was a double top right here. Let me highlight that for you. So right here would have been considered a double top. So if you could have taken that sell right there and then written it down, taking that sell, written it down until you saw it became oversold again. So you see right here, it's already overbought, and then it's overbought up here too. So that would have been a good sell to take if you would have taken it. If you were just going to wait for the 618 retracement to hit, you would have just waited for it to come down and then turn back up, and then right then and there you would have grabbed your Fibonacci after the turn up and then drew it from the top of that double top and then went down to the bottom of where it started to turn up. Then you could have just placed a buy right there. If you did, that's good because you could have just taken profits at the 618. Or you could have just waited for it to get to the 618 and then drop. It's always, once it gets to the 618, it's gonna drop, as you can see. Then you're just gonna, once that happens, I'm gonna send out these indicators because they tell you when to buy and sell, the red and blue dots. So right here would have been a sell off the double top. You would have written it down to either here and taking your profits, or you could have waited for that blue dot to show up for you to take profits. Then you're just gonna write it up to the 618 position. Now, it doesn't always, like once you see a double top, it doesn't always go to that 618. So I can show you that right here. No, it's this one. So right here, this was a double top, but it didn't, so double top, but it did not reach that 618. So sometimes it'll go to the 618. That's why I always tell you guys to take profits or exit half your positions right here at the 38.2. That's always my first take profit. So you can either close half your position and then see if it rides up to the 618. If it doesn't, you would want to after you exit half your positions, you want to stop loss and put it above where you bought it in at or sold in at, depending on if it was a double top or double bottom, or if you're riding it up to the 618. So that way, once you closed out half your position and then you bring that stop loss above where you bought in, you locked in some extra profits, and then you already taken half your profits off the table. So there, if it goes to the 618, you can place your sell, but if you see it is just having a hard time to break that 38.2 retracement level, you're going to be looking for a sell at that level then. But as you can see, went up and then just dropped, and I'm pretty sure that was because of news. If that news wasn't released, it probably would have hit that 618 retracement. So there's an example for it being when it does hit the 618 retracement, and then there's the one for when it doesn't. Because it's not always going to hit that 618 retracement, but probably I'd say 8 or 9 times out of 10 it will hit that 618 retracement. So I'm gonna send these indicators in the group because I want to show you how I use them right here. So as you can see, this is the trade we're in now. USDJBY. It already hit the 618. It's slowly dropping. So soon, like, it's gonna hit that first take profit. Next place you're gonna be looking to take profit is down here at this level right here, where it's at a hard time passing. So second take profit for USDJBY for whoever's in that would be 108.598. So now I'm going to show you how I use all these indicators all together. Let me just add my channel. So for scalping the market, this is basically what I use it for. I always check the higher time frames because what you see in the lower time frame is really just affecting what's actually really happening in the higher time frame. So with this binary bot plus the binary channel plus stochastics in the RSI, I don't see why you would lose a trade because you will have 3 confirmations on any trade you take. You never want to get in the market when the stochastics or RSI is just in the middle of here. Like that's just a bad trade. You're getting in the middle of nowhere. So you always want to wait for it to either bounce off the channel or basically see that it's oversold or overbought. So using the channel, it's the top of the channel right here is this lime green line, and then this is the bottom of the channel. So you can always just ride it from the top to the bottom. Or like sometimes it'll just like sometimes end up in the middle right here at this dotted green line and then go back up. But you can read that from reading your stochastics and RSI. So how you read it is the blue dot means buy, the red dot means sell. I like to use it in the 15-minute chart or the 5-minute for scalping because those move pretty fast. So as you can see, there was a sell up here at the top of the channel, and it just rode all the way down to the bottom of the channel where this blue dot's right here. You can see that it's oversold. It's been oversold for a while, and then that blue dot finally popped up, and you see it's oversold down here. This would be the best possible best possible buy right now. You can look at it in the 1 minute to look for the best possible entry. Right now, you see a red dot at the top of the channel. It's already broke the channel, so and it's oversold in the 1 minute. So it could come back down a little bit further, and then you can get in that trade for the best possible entry. Or you can just hop in the trade now if you want, and then just ride it up. But I would personally wait until it got down a little bit more because that would be the best possible entry. If you're trading strictly off the hour chart, what I like to look for in, say you see it's at the bottom of the channel right here, and you see a blue dot, I would switch over to a line chart, and what I would look for is a bend. So right here, let me highlight this for you guys. This is what I mean by a bend. It came up and there was a sharp bend down. That's what I would be looking for until once I see a sharp bend in here, I will hop in that trade on the buy. So if you're looking at the higher time frames, you want to trade off bends and then making sure that it's oversold or overbought, and then you have these extra confirmations with the binary channel and then the binary extreme binary bot, which I will send these indicators out for you guys. mainly just always check the higher time frames to see what's going on in the market. Um, don't ever just jump in a trade if you don't know what you're doing. Like this, like see it came down to the middle of the channel right here on this 4 hour, and then it's got a blue dot, and then it's oversold, and it's oversold on the RSI also. So this would be a good buy, but what you're waiting on is just that bend in the market on the line chart.
Hey, Devante, I have a
Get
question.
in, and it's actually bending now. What's up?
For the dots, how accurate is that
What's up?
to you? The dots. How accurate is that?
Okay, so the dots, if you're using the dots by itself without any extra confirmations, I would say it's about 75% accurate. But if you use it with the color stochastics and then the RSI, so you're seeing that it's oversold and overbought, it makes it at least 95% accurate.
Okay, gotcha.
So like that's why like every trade that I've called so far, it's been mainly off every trade that I've called so far has been mainly off of double tops and double bottoms, and then off of this strategy also. I'm gonna drop some videos in the chats for you. Yeah, a link to a YouTube video that teaches you about this 2618 rule, and then I'm also gonna send all these indicators out for you guys to download. But first, before you like start doing it live trading, I suggest you practice it and back test it for at least a week, because once I got these indicators, I back tested it for probably about 2 weeks, and I started even going live with them.
Nice.
So once you feel comfortable to go live, once you feel that you got this strategy unlocked and you know what you're doing, what's happening, that's when I would suggest that you go live. But practice it on your demo as long as you, and you can double tops and double bottoms. They literally happen in every time in every currency. There's a double top right. Um, the AUD/USD. You can literally find double tops and double bottoms everywhere. I don't see really many in there. Yo, Arquel,
Yeah.
you want to teach Bollinger Bands real quick? Like this, if you look at GBP USD on the 1 hour, it's at the top of the Bollinger Band, and like this would probably be a good time to talk about it.
Wait, what is it? JPP.
I said GBP USD, it's at the top of the band right now. I feel like this would probably be a good time to talk about it if you want to like go over it real quick for these people.
Okay. Well, I haven't really mastered the Bollinger Bands too well. So, but what I see is that it touched the third Bollinger Band lines all the way in the top. So once it touched the very last part, it's going to reverse and retrace itself back down again. And then once it hits the middle of the Bollinger Bands, it might go back up again. But if it breaks down, it's going to hit all the way to the 3 lines at the Bollinger Bands. I'm still testing out the Bollinger Bands, so I don't really know much about it, but I'm still testing it out. But this is what Chris Terry used.
Hey, guys, when you're trading, make sure when you guys are trading, make sure make sure that when trading on a spread, I don't like on spreads that are bigger than, say, 3 pips. I don't like more than a spread because I'd rather be in a 3 pip spread where I can get a profit right away than as to like a 35 pip, 45 pip spread that would take longer time to get into profit. The only thing that I trade that has a bigger spread is gold, and gold has the 50 spread on FX Glory. Gold has a 35 pip spread on Traders Way for you guys use Traders Way. Traders Way. They stole money from me. That's just my opinion.
I think for the people who has trader base, they should have a prepaid card.
Any of this? But this is like basically how I trade. Like so look at this Euro AUD really quick. Let me exit this out. So from here, when it went down to here, after like this was actually here. I can show you guys. This is a double top over here. So this is what I traded earlier this week. I showed you guys. This was a double top. It came up into the zone. Didn't close above it. Had some wicks that broke it, but it was still fine because nothing closed above this zone. So on this one, after it came, I used my retracement. Came back down to that 618 position. You can go from the bottom here to the top. As you see, it hit this 618 retracement right here. This right here, you have taken. We did take profits here. This is a call I called out earlier this week. We took earlier last week. We took profits right here, and then I rode it back up. So from here, you would have just cleared this Fibonacci. Went from here to the next double. It made another double. It's a quad top actually. So if you really want to get technical with it. So right here, came up and we placed a sell up here and we rode it back down to this 618 retracement again, and then took profits. And this is basically all you're doing. Like everywhere you see double tops, double bottoms, like you can do all day. It just, the only thing about it is it takes time for the setup to actually happen. So did 618 right here. It doesn't always hit the 618 like I said. Like sometimes it just come down, retrace a little bit to the 38.2 and then just drop like it did here. Casey, you still on this call?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm still here.
You got anything you want to say about anything? We can make you a presenter.
No, I'm going over a couple things.
I said, you got anything you want to say? Like, we can make you a presenter.
No, keep doing you. I'm going over a couple things right now with a couple people.
Well, that's pretty much it. Like this, like all I do is long-term trading. Like I scalp the 15 minutes using the I scalp the 15-minute and 5 using these indicators with the I use these indicators with the binary channel. which I showed you guys already, and that's pretty much it. You want to be buying, you want to be selling at the top of the channel, you want to be buying at the bottom of the channel.
I feel
Uh,
like binary and Forex is almost the same. They use the same indicators.
Oh, yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. Like you can use these indicators probably on anything actually. That isn't a lie.
Yeah.
Like yeah, I don't have anything else to say. Like that's pretty much the only thing I do. It's pretty simple. I don't do anything crazy. If you guys got any questions about anything, you can ask them now or forever hold your peace.
you gonna go over any trades you're looking at, or any trades that anyone else is looking at?
I know Euro GBP right now. I'd be looking for a buy on this. Let me see if it made that bend yet. It's looking like that bend's creeping up right now. So probably in the next hour or so, you can take a buy if you want to be like really like precise and like for sure know that you're about to go into profits. Or you can just wait. I mean, or you can just buy it now because it's oversold. It shouldn't go down very far more. Um, in the 1 minute, it's, let's see, 1 minute is coming down a little bit, 5 minute. Minute. Yeah, I'll take the. If I were you guys, I'd take that buy on Euro GBP. This would be a good long-term buy. Probably you can probably take this buy. Let me see. If you took this buy right now, my first take profit would be this 38.2 retracement. So first TP, I go a little bit below it just to make sure it gets hit. First TP on Euro GBP would be 0.78395. That'd be a good buy right now. Euro AUD. Let me check the hour. I wouldn't hop in on no Euro AUD. Hold off on that. USD JPY is still a sell. I hope you guys are in that trade still. Have profits at the 38.2 retracement. I already gave the first take profit in the group, and I gave the second take profit here already, but I'll say it again.
Can you check out
Second take profit would be. Check what?
Can you check AJ? AUD JPY? I put a sell this morning. Okay, I see it. Yeah, that sell is taking forever to go down.
Let's check the 4 hour. 4 hour is slow hold. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, 4 hours still sold. I mean, it's not overbought completely. I mean, oversold completely, but it's still coming down there. So I feel like the 1 hour would be a good sell to take. Yeah, 1 hour you can take a sell on Euro GBP. I mean AUD JPY. It actually made a double top right here. This was the close of the body right here. Top right here. You're gonna want to either sell in this zone or you can take the sell now. I don't think it's gonna come back into that zone. It's already 2 hours out of it.
Okay, because I call 8J
AUDJPY sell.
this morning. It's taking forever to go down.
Yeah. First take profit on AUDJ would be first TP on AUDJ is 79.677. Second take profit on A to J would be 79.293. It's made that double top already. And then once it comes down to the 618 retracement right here, you're going to be looking for it to, you're going to bring out, okay, so let me just do this real quick. Alright, shit. After I hit those first two take profits on A to J, I'll post the take profits in the group right now. But you're going to be looking for it to retrace to the 618 level right here.
Gold is struggling to push up.
Alright, closer to take profits on A to J on put me in the blue. Euro GBP. Let me get some take profits on this. I posted 2 trades and then put me in the group. USD JPY looks like it's still working its way down. Euro AD wouldn't really really fuck with Euro AUD right now. GBP USD. Yo, I don't use stop losses, because every time I use them, I get stopped out.
For the stop loss,
What?
it should be like 20 to 30 pips away, just in case.
Yeah, you can go at least like above, like for this stop loss on AUD JPY. If I was to put a stop loss, I would probably either put it above this high right here, at this high right here, or I go right here and go up 10 pips, 20 pips. So 20 to 10 or 20 pips, high stop loss. Arquel says 20 to 30. But I don't use stop losses. Every time I use them, I got stopped out. Fucking market makers, dude. I don't fuck with them. This webinar is being recorded, so you can go back and watch it again if you need to. Yo, Robert, you're on this call? Richie Rich. His mic's muted.
Yeah, I'm here, bro. Just listening to y'all.
Good. And yeah,
Yup.
anyone else?
What you say, bro? I couldn't hear you, bro. He was breaking up.
I was just trying to see if anyone else wanted me to look at any pairs.
Oh. Shit, maybe that GBP USD, they got a major release coming out in about 3 hours. They got consumer price index in 3 hours.
I see it.
That'd be a,
USD is sold right now.
that's gonna be a big ass move. Who
So
caught
you're
that
saying that's gonna,
USD though?
that's gonna be a buy over the next few hours?
See, with news releases, I don't know because like it get,
Bro.
even though it's oversold.
Yeah, you gotta do that fundamental to find
But right
out.
now, in GBP USD is looking like a good sell.
No, yeah, I see the sell. It's a clear sell.
Yeah, I'm shorting it.
Dude, this is I'm so iffy with currencies. Like,
Man, it's the
regular
easiest.
currencies just.
Currencies tell you where they want to go, basically, man. It's just simple. Especially with the news. Like, this news shit is going to be vital. Like, this how I caught the AUD USD. Caught that whole
I have no
ride
idea
up.
what you just said. You cut out.
I said the news is vital. You know, that's how I just caught AUD USD. I just caught the whole ride up. You just got to do that, kind of that research, you know. See what the consumer price index previously was. See what type of outlooks they got so far. And you can play off that shit. But when it comes to fundamentals, they like, this shit, like you can read, it tell you bullish or bearish. Like, it's simple as hell, you know. You just got to catch it. It's
But yeah, these are like all the pairs I trade. I trade like 11 pairs, and that's it.
Yeah. Y'all ready for this London session though?
Oh yeah.
Yep. Whoa, someone said, wait.
Big pips will be caught tonight.
Kobe just got profits.
We got a lot of, but yeah, GBP USD
I'm trying to see what trade.
definitely a short right now for GBP USD, but
Both.
I'll wait a little bit, at least an hour, to see what that price index gonna do in the next few hours.
What the news do.
Yeah, it should.
Yeah, because when news release, like even though it's oversold, it can still shoot up.
Yeah, it's gonna respect this trend, so more than likely it's gonna push. Well, I know I can look at it and tell it's gonna push down by the time they release that news. I tried to get you guys in that AUD, but I couldn't send the telegram fast enough.
I feel you.
Where I'm like, damn, just missed it. But yeah, GBP USD definitely gonna be a great ass catch for the
Yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on it.
Yeah, that's gonna shoot. That's gonna shoot like a rocket. It should go straight down. I mean, it's already down. I'm already in profit on it, but so I mean, y'all definitely get. If you want to scalp that, you can for a minute.
Yeah, I'm probably about to scalp it in 1 minute.
Yeah. See what? Maybe wait for that next pullback to 44,790. It's a good zone. Resistance zone. 1.1 or 1.4, 47.90 would be a good entry for GBP. I wouldn't hop in it right now. It's too soon.
But yeah, it's way too soon. It's gonna retrace back up a little bit.
Yeah. Definitely a good scalp though. And tonight, that shit should drop major levels. You can see the consolidation happening on a 15-minute. It's just preparing now.
Yeah. Definitely in that. It was definitely in that sell zone though, right up here. That would have been a good sell up there.
What is that, the GBP?
Yeah, GBP USD. I'm looking at the history of it. It keep going into that zone though, and coming back down.
Yeah, we're not in that. If we would have went in the supply, well, we are kind of right below that supply zone you got up there. But as long as we don't close in that supply zone, we perfectly good. But this is one of those trades you can just sit back on and watch it risk-free. Oh, there she go, popping. Pushing her down.
To post those indicators in this group real quick.
limits. Damn, this phone's fucking dying. If your phone ain't dying, you ain't no real trader, man. Straight like that.
Bro, I'm at 2% right now.
I'm at 1%. My shit finna cut off any minute.
Uh,
Hey, you know what?
Oh.
Next time we're gonna use Twitch. Mike Miles, he just texted me, and he said that for Twitch, there's no limits.
He said what?
You know the Twitch thing that he used? The DFW, they used that Twitch.
Oh, Twitch?
Yeah, there's no limit. So next time let's use that for a live webinar.
Yeah, that shit just be... I tried to set up the YouTube shit. That shit was so fucking weird, bro. And I didn't know you can only have 10 people on Google Hangouts.
Yeah, I didn't know that too.
Shit's crazy. Ooh. Feel that pull back. See where she closes. Let's see where she closes. Might give us an engulfing on the 5 minute. Yep.
can you guys see my screen right now? Oh, my bad. I'm just sending out these indicators.
Got an engulfing on a 5 minute. There it is. That's what I was waiting for. So we should push down solid now. It was fast moving, man.
Is this the stuff that I gave you before?
Alright, I posted those indicators.
Hey, Devante. Bro,
Yo, what's up?
is this the ones that I gave you before?
Yo, what's up?
Is this the indicators I gave you on before?
I'm not, I know you gave me the supply and demand ones. I got the color stochastics and binary stream binary bot from, some other guy. I think I got it from, damn. Taking Profits, whatever. Get them from him on Facebook.
Oh, Marco?
I think I already sent them to you though, Raquel.
Yeah, it's already it's already in my folder.
Yeah, I think I sent them to you like a couple weeks ago.
It's so funny. That's so
Hey, Angelina, what chat do you want to be added to?
there's a FOMC news in 10 hours? Holy crap. Um, yeah, FOMC news is in 10 hours. Tomorrow, the ECB news is coming tomorrow. That's on Tuesday, no, Wednesday. News coming.
No, you can't get any of those indicators that I put on your phone. It just won't work. They only work for your laptop. Sorry.
Man, look at that GBP USD coming down.
Yo, Casey.
Yo, what up?
Yo, are you gonna go over stuff too?
Yeah, I mean, I'm looking over a couple, gold trades. If you guys want, I can, just give me 1 second.
I
I'm trying to
feel you.
multitask. I'm
I was,
trying to
I was,
multitask so hard right now.
yeah.
Yo, Nick, you want to go over something?
Bruh. Bruh. Oh, man. Nah. It's gonna mute
Dude,
my
I
mic.
mean, like, I'm sure you can spit some knowledge to these people.
I mean, not about trading, but nah. Don't be discouraged about blowing an account. That's all I can tell you. Just keep working at it. Even Casey and Devante have.
Oh yeah, yeah. Get, what?
Everyone will lose someone.
I've
at
gone
some
through
point.
probably 3 blown accounts already, so don't even worry about it. Like,
You're
once you
losing $100. Someone's losing
once you get the
1,000.
hang, do not get stuck in trades over the weekend. If you're not 100% sure, someone's losing 8,000. Fuck.
Yeah, someone's losing. Oh,
I will never get over that.
it's too funny. And I suggest don't
Don't
fall asleep
open up a lot of lot
stop
sizes.
loss. That's one of the things I would suggest.
Don't open up more than 2 trades per, like, okay, first off, if you don't have the equity, you shouldn't have more than 2 trades, because, like, you just shouldn't.
Yeah, you know what? I had 300 and I had 10 trades open. Crazy. I will never do that again.
Yeah, on a $200 account, you probably wouldn't want to go over probably at least, I say 3 trades at the max, because, like, well, depending on your lot sizes, if you're using small lot sizes, like, sure, open up, like, if you're using like .01 lot sizes, sure, on a $200 account, you can open up about 5 or 10 of them. But if you're using like .05, .10 lots on a $200 account, just don't do that to yourself. You're gonna blow it.
Yeah. Also, if you see a little bit negative, don't freak out. Because markets will move both ways. So if you see a little bit of negative, don't worry. Unless it just totally turns on you, then get out. If you're risking too much, get out.
Don't second guess.
Yeah, don't second guess. Pretty much.
Yeah.
Everyone freaks out when they
Don't
see
risk more than like
$dollars, whatever. It's like, oh, is this going to go the right way? Whatever. You're down negative $2. Why are you freaking out? That's my 2 cents. There you go.
dude, USD JPY turn the fuck down. It's oversold.
And this one?
Yes, we pay taxes on all money earned.
Holy shit, dude. I'm like talking to like 4 different people right now, and I can't get one breath in.
Um, yes, I have multiple accounts. I have an account with Forex.
What do you say?
Yes, we pay taxes on all money earned in the foreign exchange market, so don't go blow it. Like, you will have to pay taxes at the end of the year.
Yeah, only on money you withdraw though.
Yeah.
You can just leave it in there. You just leave
Yeah, if
it.
it's still in your brokerage account, like, you don't have to pay taxes on that.
Huh?
So what'd you just say? You were breaking up a little bit for me.
Oh, that you don't have to pay taxes if you just leave it in there.
On your broker?
Hey guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I have to say something. Okay. So let's listen up. So my dad, he has been doing Forex for 4 years, right? And he has a friend, and he said that for Forex, when you have a broker as a live account, use that as a bank account, okay? And don't take out money, like don't transfer money if it's not useful, you know? So the only time you should take out money is for emergency, like bills, like house bills, water bills, electronic bills, phone bills, whatever, you know? So,
Yeah,
um,
that way you're not paying all those taxes on all the money you're withdrawing. You're just paying taxes on what you're paying your bills on.
yes, because like if you just keep taking out and transfer it to your bank account every week, at the end of the year you're gonna be screwed big time, because the IRS will be like, how did you get all this money? Blah 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 blah. So just use it for
So
emergency. Just use
I
it for
know if you have Traders Away, you can open you can have two live accounts on Traders Away. You can just use one for trading, and you can transfer all the money into the other one and just use it as a savings account, basically.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You stealing my
Yeah,
idea, boy.
I believe you can do it on Forex Broker Inc. too. I haven't tried it yet though. But you should be able to open up two accounts on any brokerage account and just transfer money in between there.
For FBI, you could have three live accounts, but it has to be three different leverage.
All right, for sure.
Yeah, for example, you can have one 500, one 200, and then the other one whatever leverage that is.
Whoa, hold on. Whoa. You can have 1 to 500 leverage on the FBI? I thought they only went up to 1 to 200.
No. 1 to 500 leverage is it's like a 1 to 1,000, almost the same concept.
Yeah, but do they have that leverage on Forex Broker Inc?
Yeah,
1 to 500?
yeah. I'll check it out again.
Damn. Because when I signed up for it, I didn't see that option. I only saw the 1 to 200. So
It's
that's what I've been using.
for the 1 to 500, you have to pay commission. That's the thing. That's why. That's why people use 1 to 200 because there's no
Oh,
commission on it. Yeah.
yeah, I don't fuck with the commissions. Fuck 1 to 500.
See, in the EC and micro, it's 1 to 500, and the commission is 1.5 bit. And then on the EC and standard, it's 1 to 200, and the commission is 1 pip. And then for the pro,
Yo,
is 1 to 200 with no commission. So
yo, John says, can you explain the leverage and the differences?
for the leverage, okay. So for the Forex Broker Inc., 1 to 500, one microlots equal to 1,000 units. So the spread as low as 0.3 pips, commission will be 1.5. So that's ECN micro
Hey,
average.
Arkel, what's up, man? Hey, dude. I'm sorry. Are you talking about a buy on this 0 GBP? I just hopped in here. We separated ourselves from the loud room that we couldn't hear you guys. I miss you guys. You sound great.
Oh yeah, dude, it was a buy on Euro GBP. I put the take profits and everything in the put me in the blue group.
Thanks, boss. I appreciate
I
it, man.
posted
What y'all
some
up
trades
to?
in there.
Sorry, we had a really noisy other room, so we kind of separated ourselves real quick so we could see what's going on. What y'all up to?
Explaining the leverages.
Nothing, just looking.
What's up? Yo, is Robert on this call?
Yo,
What's
Justin,
up?
there was a buy on Euro GBP and there was a sell on.
What's good, bro?
What's happening, man? I haven't heard your voice in a while, bro. What's up?
Shit, man. Laying down, catching good pips. Watching the future, looking into the future talk. Sure, everybody right, you know.
Yep.
Man, bro, yo, honestly, I can't wait to get back out there with you guys, man. Like it's 3 or 4 weeks, and me and Caleb are about to be out there for a little bit. So I'm trying to trade hard with y'all, man. Yo, like Chicago traders are like known all over the country now. What's going on, bro?
Putting in work.
People are like, hey, man, so like I know it's probably not like reasonable, but
It's
like, do
getting
you
real
think
out here.
possibly like, is there a small chance you could like get me in contact with your Chicago people? I'm like, damn, who are you? Like, yeah, but you're gonna have to ask like that.
Yo, I know Justin just came out here and ruined the whole fucking game. Just talking about some bullshit.
Y'all hold that bitch up. Shit.
Yeah, if you're not already in that trade, Marlon, you can get in now if you
I was
want.
in it, but I'm negative 28, so I want to buy again.
Ooh, what you mean?
Whoa. Don't be greedy. Whoa. If you have one trade open, don't put another buy because that's gonna be greediness, and then the market makers will be like, hey, this kid has 2 buys. Let's screw him up big time, you know? And then so don't do that, man.
Y'all know it ain't a such thing as market.
It's definitely gonna go back up, so don't even sweat it, bro.
No, I know. Thanks.
Hey, what'd you say, Robert? I said, y'all know it ain't a such thing as market makers, right? All that shit is a hoax. It's got to be an equilibrium within the market, so it don't work that way. No.
For the market makers?
Yeah. Read that book, man. Read that book I told y'all about. The Alchemy of Finance. Learn a lot.
Oh, I listened to the whole thing already.
Yeah, that shit opens your eyes up.
Man, that gold is like struggling.
No, it's gonna drop a bit here, but over the next 2 hours, it's about to rise.
Roll thing.
Over the next hour and a half, it's gonna shoot up.
Fuck. We got 28 minutes left to London.
Didn't Christopher Terry say that he wasn't gonna do anything this week?
Oh, I don't know. I haven't
That was a
been.
double top earlier in your
What's up, Marlon? Is that you, bro? What's up?
What's up, Justin?
What's up, bro? Yeah, y'all don't remember Marlon was at the hotel event. Marlon's like, Forex at work. Y'all ain't making money. I'm not tripping. Then he called me like last week, like, I made $300 in 12 minutes.
Hey, Rico, it's called The Alchemy of Finance by George Soros, which is
I'll be
actually
back later,
the
okay?
forex trader in the world.
I'll be back.
Alright, homie. Rico, you hear me, G?
Yeah, bro, I got you. I found it.
I need help.
Fuck, why this shit is killing me.
Yo, Casey. Casey. Man, what the fuck?
Yeah, what up?
No, I'm about to put 2K in my account, man. We're gonna flip this shit, alright?
Dude, let me know once you do that.
Yeah, I'm looking probably tomorrow or Wednesday.
Okay. Gold for the rest of the week I think is gonna be a buy, but next week there's gonna be a drastic drop. If you look at it on the weekly, it's gonna drop a bit, quite a bit. So like around Thursday, Friday, I want to set up a couple trades for Sunday, Monday of next week for gold
For sure.
on the sell side.
Oh yeah. I'm looking at the weekly right now.
I need help.
Yeah, but whenever you're free, man, I'm trying to drop by your crib. So just let me know when you're free.
Alright, for sure. No, yeah, I got you. I literally have been doing one-on-ones all day and just
Yeah. No, I know. So I mean, whenever you're free, let me know. I'll let you know when I get home from work and whatever. But I'm trying to flip that to like 10K and like.
Dude, we do that 1 week, you sit on it, the next week you can flip that to 25, sit on it, next week, more progress. Strictly with gold though, are you okay with that?
Yeah, yo, I'm perfectly fine with just gold.
Okay.
That's what I'm trying to like learn mostly about is gold.
Alright, I'm just making sure because I have a bunch
Casey,
of up for the regular currencies, but that's Devante's
Yo, Casey.
right now. Like if you want to make money, I can lock you down on gold.
Yeah, no, lock me down
I
on
can be very
gold.
helpful with gold.
Oh yeah, no, that's where the money's at. I gotta get some money to my parents, man. My goal.
Yo, yo, Casey. Yo,
What up?
yo, Casey.
me any favors. Yo, what up?
I'm dropping that money in my FX Glory account to trade gold on Wednesday, so we're gonna be kicking it a lot this week and next week, so we can flip that.
You and Nick should do it at the same time, so we're all on the same page.
Exactly. Right now, but hey, send me those people who want to like trade those currencies. I can help them out because I got the currencies on lock. But they gotta know it's long. I do long-term trading. Like my trades are long-term. Like everything that I call today is long-term.
And I do high lot size scalps. So it's instant, but it's also risky. It's very risky at the same time.
I'm okay with risk. Every day in life, you're living a riskful life because you never know what can happen. You can get hit by a car, a plane can just crash right in front of you. Like you never know, bro.
So if you're not taking risk every single day, you're gonna get nowhere. That's basically it. You have to take risk.
Wow, we've been in this live webinar for like almost 2 hours. We've been here for almost 2 hours. Did I stop this recording? Oh, not yet.
Oh yeah, you can stop recording it now. Oh, on that, yo, Robert, it pulled back up. GBP USD.